Yes, in this video I am going to share these tips that how can you cheat in the exam hall. That is also ethical. Is it possible? Ethical cheating. Yes, it is possible. Guys, it is possible. Ethical cheating is possible. Please watch the video till the end and definitely subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest notification and update. So see here, these are the notes not possible to remember. See, what are those? These are the so many big table. And even also I am showing you another one. This is also very big table. Not possible. I cannot remember it's for the 3 hours of the exam. So here we have to do the cheating, right? So now how to do the cheating? How I am doing the cheating? Yes, I am also doing the cheating. Do you know how you can do it? That is I am going to share in this video, but please don't share it with the invigilator. If you share it, then also they cannot catch you. Yes, they cannot catch you because it is ethically cheating. Cheating with ethical way. How to do it? See that. So there are something in whenever you are reading, whenever you are learning, there are some formulas, there are some long chart, there are something always there is the tendency we will forget definitely. And whenever it is coming, especially in the exam, then we are not able to recall that. That's why something somewhere we have to cheat also. How to cheat? See that. So this is a chart I am showing you. This is the computer science decidability chart. It is a long chart. Anyone cannot remember properly this chart. So for this chart, what you can do, how you can do the cheating. See that. First, every day you have to write it every day and try to remember it for at least first of all for 5 minutes, then next 10 minutes, then next 30 minutes. Maximum our memory can remember 30 minutes easily. Our memory can recall the facts. Our memory can remember the things. Okay. So what you have to do, every morning try to read the chart, and there are some short tricks how to remember the chart, how to practice the chart, that is I will share. So try to remember it only for 30 minutes. Why I am telling only for 30 minutes? Because ultimately in the exam hall you have to do it. Why? Because if you can remember it for 30 minutes, what I am doing, what are the charts, what are the formulas I am not able to remember properly, that are the chart I am preparing in a quick revision notes. Yes. Now this notes, can I take in exam hall? No, they will not allow you. But what we can do, that quick revision notes, that quick revision chart, you can go through just before entering to the exam hall. Just before entering to the exam hall, just go through the chart and keep it on your mind, and whenever they are giving you the rap sheet, in the rap sheet, they are giving you the rap sheet, right? So whenever they are providing the rap sheet, then and there, write down all the charts, write down all the formulas, where is the chance you will forget. In the rap sheet, you are writing the formulas, you are writing the chart for your future reference. Because exam is going on for 3 hours. Within these 3 hours, definitely you will forget. So that's why just before starting, just the when the exam is going to start, maybe sometimes they are allowing to write down in the rap sheet, or sometimes they are allowing to write down your name and everything. They are providing the sheet to you, but they are not providing the question paper. Then when you are writing your name and when you are doing filling everything, then in the back side of your exam sheet you can write down it. No one will stop you because they will think that you are writing your names and everything. And whenever maybe in the rap sheet they are providing, but they are not allowing you to write anything. So whenever the exam is going to start, means then and there, first 5 minutes, you can write down all the charts, all the formulas in your rough sheet, so that whenever the question are coming from these formulas, from this chart, because there are some uh, possibility, what are the charts, always question are coming, there are some possibility from where always question are coming. If I write down that chart in the rough sheet, then maybe the question, when the question is exactly coming, then you can refer to that chart. So that is I am doing. What are the method, what are the chart, what is I am, there are the chances I will forgot it, that I am writing at the starting, means first 5 minutes I am writing all the chart, then I am starting the exam, and no one will stop you for that. This is definitely ethical cheating, because you are writing it in your mind, you are entering to the exam hall, you can remember it till 30 minutes, after that maybe you will forgot that. That's why in that 30 minutes, if you write down in rough sheet, after that your mind will be free. Yes, that is I have written in my rough sheet, now the reference is there, now when the question will be there, from that question you can solve from the rough sheet. So this is the ethical cheating. You can apply this ethical cheating in your exam hall, and definitely it will be helpful to you. So if you like this video, please is it share? Okay, if you want, you can share with your friend, but please don't share with any invigilator, and please subscribe to the channel for this type of hacks and tricks. Thank you. Bye bye.